I've been doing front-end for about 10 years. So basically, I got interested in Alexa because as a front-end engineer, I think your goal is to develop the best experience for the customer. And I think voice interface is actually something really nice to drive this experience to the customer. So basically, at the beginning, I got interested in Alexa, and I actually didn't build anything. I just filled my house of a bunch of sorry. I hope it's not mine. So yeah, I just filled my home with a bunch of Amazon devices, but I actually was just using it for playing Spotify. But then when I went to the Alexa Developers Day here in Berlin, I heard this quote which actually says, "A useful Alexa skill is the one that provides the user a way to achieve an action in less time than unlocking your phone, opening an app, and tap around to accomplish something." So I don't know who told it, some of the guys from the Dev Day. But basically the cool thing about this is that, yeah, that's true. Like for Spotify, like if I unlock my phone and try to tap the name of a song, it's better to say it to Alexa. So that's when I actually recover my enthusiasm in Alexa development. But coming from all the crazy world of front end and all this stuff, like all the JavaScript fatigue that we have nowadays, when I tried the Alexa SDK, I felt that something was kind of weird. Like I thought it was kind of not that collaborative, and it was like there was something going wrong. It's actually that they're using impure functions as the handlers. So basically, impure functions can modify the variables of their scope, are less or not predictable at all, and are a pain in the ass to test if you're working in a production environment. So pure functions are a good thing because every dependency is provided explicitly through their arguments, and they can have a determinate return value. So they will always produce the same result as long as you input the same arguments. So this makes testing very easily. So if you're working in a production environment, I repeat a lot of this production environment because, for example, in HelloFresh, I was in charge of building the HelloFresh Alexa skill application. And it's not something like you're just gonna launch a project for a bit of users. They want to do it like massively to the whole users, and they want to have a team of 5 engineers working on this. So basically having a bad architecture in your Alexa skill with a team of 5 engineers becomes a mess with the pull request and everybody touching your code. So, well, the code of the team. So I wrote this small library, which is Alexa Connect Handlers. It's basically just a couple of functions that helps you to achieve this. It's map to handlers and connect. The first one passes the context as an argument to the handlers, and the second one connects the argument to the handlers, kind of like Redux Word with React. So actually the whole idea was kind of taken from the connect method from Redux. So, a bit technical here. I actually need to read all of this. So, basically we import our handlers, and when we register our handlers, we actually use map to handlers function. So we use the map to handlers function to find the context, and basically here we are declaring we are creating the instance of REST client, and if you actually already instantiate this REST client once, this will hold the logic of the token and everything. So you want to share this among all your handlers. So the goal with this is actually to pass it also to all the functions that are your handlers. And with this, you can actually declare your handlers. You connect the handler so it can receive the ground context. And now, here we have in the arguments response and emit, which are Alexa SDK methods. So it's actually that we're receiving the context of the Alexa SDK, but now as a pure function. But we're also passing another argument. So this is the function that we have on top declared, which is also receiving all the arguments, which is the client thing that we declare at the beginning. So with this kind of architecture, you can have like everything in different files. You can have a huge team working on the app, and at the end bundle everything. You can write tests for everything, and it's actually kind of pretty easy and collaborative. So yeah, give it a try.